established in 2013 in Donggui City, China, MingHong is dedicated to innovating and delivering cutting-edge tempered glass protectors. Their product lineup includes high-definition glass shields, anti-spy screens, and more, perfected over a decade of pioneering design. With a meticulous production process and top-notch management system, MingHong ensures quality at every stage. Supported by a strong customer service network, MingHong empowers users with custom designs and rigorous quality checks. Committed to excellence, MingHong's passionate team strives for perfection in every detail, setting the bar high for quality and service.